Good Sunday morning. We are here making breakfast for everyone before church this morning. It is quite early. I woke up to my daughter throwing up in her bed. Say good morning.
Good morning.
You guys say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. You feel
Morning.
better? You feel better?
My body.
Huh? That would be awesome. Yeah, we are prepared to jam out in praise and worship today. And hubby is, going to be playing obviously with me, and I'm just gonna have a good time today in service. I know it's gonna be awesome.
Suspicion, keeping my eyes open, keeping my antennas up, not just falling for anything, being aware that the enemy goes about as a roaring lion seeking whom he can devour. So I had to be aware, keep my eyes open. Sometimes we think we're smart. We think we can see. See, the thing is, in the invisible world, you can't see what's happening in the invisible world. That's why you got to hear from God. You got to hear from God, because God knows what's coming. And so if you just base it on what it looks like, if you base your future on what your bank account looks like today, either you're going to be very happy or very sad. But if you base your future on what God has promised you and what God is doing in your life, that's walking by faith and not by sight. You can't walk by sight. You can't walk by what it looks like right now, whether it looks good, bad, or indifferent.
Get my cheese.
Where are your Cheez-Its?
I left them in the house.
Sam, where you trying to go? You can't leave your Cheez-Its in the house.
Why? I need air.
I don't like these shoelaces. Cute shoes are not shoelaces.
It's me, Sammy.
Hey everybody, happy Labor Day. So we're headed out again on this hot Monday. It is 86 here in Chicago. We're on our way to Ulta. I got this free offer for mascara, and I'm about to go get it. And family Christmas. We're in the Christian bookstore right now. Hubby's looking for a book.
Can you watch the veggies?
You wanna watch the veggies? Let's go see. Where are the veggies at? Let's go check them out. Uh-oh. Hmm? What's that stuff? What is this? Oh, it's like a clock. How cool. They're supposed to be in something. Look how cute. Oh, I think this is a kid's Bible. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna get this for my daughter's birthday. But don't tell her, it's a surprise. Oh, I want to check this out. Let's see. Let's see if it's just a devotional or if it's an actual Bible. Oh, it's a devotional. Okay. Oh, it's a lamb. You already have Hardy though.
I know.
You know?
I know.
No, that's not Hardy. That's a lamb. I'm looking for a children's Bible for my daughter for her birthday in a journal. That's something that I really, really want to get for her. I think it'd be awesome. And she's only 7, so oh my gosh, how cute! Look how adorable, guys.
Mommy!
I love it. So I love that the titles, and then it talks a little bit about things, and then it has questions, and then scripture at the bottom. I had something like that when I was younger, but it was all in my Bible. That is such a lovely thing, I think, for kids. I love it. I'm looking for a Bible, though. I think I'm in the wrong section, obviously. So I'd have to look for kids' Bible. This is the hangout spot for the kids. Ham, you could be here all day, right? No? You have to order it online?
Yeah.
Look, I was just looking at this for Erica. But I thought it was, you know, like a Bible. It's a Devo. And then I was looking at the journal, the prayer journal.
Mm-hmm.
And so, what do you think about it? I think it's so cute.
Sure.
The 1 year deal. Praying kid. The power of a praying kid. Look at that. Oh, and it's pretty small too. Oh. Did you see the back? The prayers and then answered prayers section. I like that. So it teaches them how to pray and stuff. And it's not a really thick book too. It seems pretty easy. Oh, I'm loving these titles. What you doing, Minnie? We went to Ulta. They were out of the thing I was looking for. Not really happy about that. But they did give me this Logica hydration skin fix.
That lady was lying. That's why she felt bad.
Yeah, I don't think that, you know, I don't think they were out. I think that they did have, you know, more, but you know, they didn't want to give.
She got them under the counter for her and her girlfriends.
Yeah.
Don't worry, girls. I got 7 left.
And we're gonna keep it for after work, right? Yeah, so I don't know. I gotta see if this is really, really, you know, good. And she was like, yeah, this stuff is really good. It's super, you know, high price, so it's awesome to have it, you know,
Lies.
for free.
Lies.
No, I've never used it.
She's never used it.
She's probably never used it. But we were able to go to Trader Joe's, which we don't usually go to. I'm just not used to that store. And hubby was like, why don't you get something, you know, to make you happy?
Yeah, so I got her a chocolate stick
Got me some chocolate sticks
to make her happy.
with wafers.
These are good. I wish they had the coconut ones.
You've had it before?
You know you got the coconut ones before. How you open this? I'm driving.
I've not. Yeah,
Come
you
on,
are
help
driving.
me.
You're so rude. Is that a big old camera? That's awesome. I've never had these before. What do you mean I've had these before?
We've had them with coconut in it, babe. They didn't put you on.
Did she?
Your memory fails you every day.
Thank you. Thank you. I am a mother. I have a lot to remember. Okay? My memory, it probably wasn't even that good. Why? I don't remember it. Now.
You would remember.
Oh, we also got these mints. If you have never had these mints before, get them. They're like the strongest mints in the whole wide world. The world. Hey, honey. How's the grill? Oh, you just put it on?
Yeah, I'm just getting low.
There not be any frogs over here. So, how long are you gonna have this on the grill for?
At least an hour.
Okay.
At 225. Real grill masters know what I'm talking about. There it is. Got the chicken. Jack Daniel's sauce.
I haven't tried that yet.
Pork rub. But you can put it on chicken.
And brats and hot dogs.
Brats, dogs, chicken. Real nasty. Hang with me.
Alright, y'all. We are about to eat. This is it for us, though. Hope you guys are having a good Labor Day. We will see you guys.
And just know that your labor is not in vain.